Don't cover it up. People want to see it. Don't y'all want to see this? This is what KAs look like when you give a crap about them. It's looking good though, man. Putting it to bed. Putting it to bed. Hey, everybody, look at Ronnie's face. That's funny.
It is funny.
He looks like a little baby. So we did a fuel components video, but we were missing
a box.
A box. Will this cardboard, is this rated for gasoline?
Yes, it already has a fill hole in it.
Look at that for your bulkhead connector.
So we just have to drill some holes, put in our bulkheads, and we'll be good to go.
That'd be fairly lightweight. I didn't know how long we were going to keep that joke going. It's shiny plastic instead, or not so shiny plastic. Is it light?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Don't try to throw it to me. I'm holding the camera. Alright. So first things first, we got to take this tank off. We thought we were going to run this tank, but Ronnie decided just screw it. We're going to run a freaking fuel cell. I just farted right there where you are. I'm sorry. I didn't even think about it. But you're welcome. So we're going to get this old tank off, and then we're going to mock up this fuel cell in here. Alright, this is taking a little bit of figuring out. What do you want to do? No?
So, okay. So this comes with all 8AN fittings.
Okay.
One of these is a breather, one is a return, and then this is obviously your outlet.
Right.
So...
Daddy,
What, buddy?
I need to poop.
Well, go inside and go poop. Your mom's in there. Alright, I'll see you later.
Have fun!
So, I want a 10AN. So I have one 10AN, and I want it to go to its own filter, to its own pump, and then to the front of the truck.
Okay.
Eventually, I want two 10ANs with their own filters, their own pumps, and then they go from 6AN into a Y, and then they're 8AN up to the fuel rail.
Okay.
And then 6AN return.
Alright, we kind of got it mocked up about where we want it to go. We think we're going to grab the bed. Ronnie's going to finish his tweet. We're going to get the bed, put it on here, and see what kind of clearance we have for the nipples on top. Hey Ronnie, I said nipples. Anyway, we're going to see if we can get this to work. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. We got clearance? Whoa, that looks pretty close.
Yeah, we're going to have to drop it down.
And that's is that the vent line, or does it matter?
This is the vent.
Okay.
This is the return. So the vent, because this isn't going in the car, it can just vent.
Okay.
If it was like in the car, you would make a line that went outside the car.
Do you want to put an elbow on it or anything?
No, I think it's okay.
Okay. I didn't know if fuel would like splash up out of it or...
No, it has a valve in it.
Oh, nice.
And then, yeah, this will be our return line. So it'll kind of go like this way to run with this.
Oh, right on.
Yep, that's ruined. Yeah, a little bigger. Let's see what else I got. Nothing big enough. So, Beau went home. I've been working on this thing. I got the fuel cell halfway mounted. I got the brackets made. I got to clean them up a little bit, but there it is. So, what I did is I made a piece of flat strap and I welded it here, and then I bent it here and welded it down. It happened to be the perfect spot. Same thing on this side. Welded this to that. So there it is. I notched these out so I can slide the tank a little bit, get it centered, and that's it. It looks pretty freaking good. Like I said, that sticks out way too far, and this side sticks out a little bit. Now I'm working on the fuel lines. I'm gonna make the one that goes to the filter here, and then I'm gonna try and figure out the one to the fuel pump so I can get that done. So I got home from work today, immediately started working on this, and now there's a cell in the truck. It's not the prettiest thing, but it works. So there's no 90s, 45, 45 filter, and then it comes over to here, and then that'll, I think I'm gonna make this a 45 and have it come up at like this angle so it can go here and forward. I don't know if you guys saw that, but here, and then come up like this. It's pretty low to the ground, so I gotta figure out something to hold this filter up. I'm not real sure. I don't want to keep adding a bunch of metal to it, but that may be what I do. I think I'll go from over here and just come straight, you know, just in front of this, because like I said, we're probably going to get another pump to go here and come that way. So eventually we'll need to notch this out as well to fit a pump. That way we can put another pump right here. But I think that's the best way for us to do it currently. I don't think I have enough 6 to go front and back, so we'll see.
Ronnie's having trouble, and I'm having a laugh at his expense. Or a giggle, rather.
These are the easy ones too.
Yeah, they look like the easy ones.
You ever buy these? Buy Evil Energy ones, not anybody else's.
Are we still doing this? My goodness.
I had it together, and then I didn't have the right collar on here, and I didn't like it, so here we are.
Being picky. And get in there. So what are we doing today? My goodness. We're finishing up this video, right?
I mean, as long as you didn't delete a bunch of video, yes.
I may have.
So we may be starting the video, or we may be ending the video.
The real question is, are you ready to talk for about 30 minutes about what we did in the video that I deleted?
And then people complain about it.
If y'all didn't watch the splitter video, go watch the splitter video. It starts off with me explaining for about 10 or 15 minutes how I deleted all the video of like all my hard work actually making the splitter. It was real dumb. That being said, it's an interesting video. We got a lot of good and bad comments on it. Notice I said interesting video, not great video.
It's a video.
It is a video. You need to get through
same ends.
What? What are you doing?
Dude, I'm doing a terrible job, but I'm not changing it.
Okay.
So, this is it.
So, are you running the 8AN line?
No, this is the 10.
Okay, that's the 10. And then the 8AN is going to be from this filter, or the pump, I'm sorry, from this pump. Where are we putting the other filter? There's a filter before and a filter after, right?
Yeah.
So where's the other filter going?
I think above the battery.
Oh, okay.
Ish.
It's a good place for it, make it accessible and whatnot.
Yeah.
And you're running 8AN from the pump all the way to the front?
Yeah. I've learned on this project, like, just spend the money one time. Don't cheap out. Don't buy something that's, you know, you're like, oh, I can make that better later. No, just buy the better thing in the beginning and spend all your money, be broke, go into debt, whatever you got to do. Just do it once.
Hey, debt is totally worth it if you get a 500 horsepower hard body out of it. I don't know, what would be worth like going into debt for, Ronnie?
I mean, like anything, because people buy like shit ass cars and go into debt over it. So
that's a good point. That is a good point.
I mean, I go into debt over everything. So dude, did they not?
That's really not funny, but I'm laughing anyway. Whatever. Ronnie's having a tough time today.
They didn't send me the dildo.
Should I poke him? Should I poke him and see if he like gets mad? Like zip tie to the face. Are we ever gonna finish this fuel video?
I don't know. It's like the fourth try.
Yeah, this is like 3 or 4 days we've been shooting this thing.
Well, we finally have everything, so that's a plus. Hey, show them this upcoming video.
All right, I'm gonna give you all a quick flash of the upcoming video. Boom. That's it. That's all y'all get. That's all y'all get. There'll be like a little preview on Instagram and Facebook. Until y'all know what's going on.
Yeah,
with what y'all just saw.
We have a Facebook now. You guys need to follow it.
We have a Facebook. I told them that in the video before last. That we were putting on Facebook.
You said we were going to, but now it's official. It's up.
Oh, it's official. Ronnie has just made it official. Is this it? Is this the final fuel line down here on the floor?
This is it. I just need the filter. And I gotta decide exactly where I want to put it.
You said somewhere near, like on top of the battery or something?
Yeah.
Where's the filter? Over here?
I don't know. I wouldn't look through.
We're finally here. We're shoving it through. Oh, I see, right there. That's where he ended up putting the filter. Are you gonna put it on the side of that rail?
Yeah, right where it is.
Oh, okay.
I just have to figure out how to mount it.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, like right here.
So from here it hits the regulator, and then just to the fuel rail and whatnot.
I think this will go to the rail first. From what I've been reading, it goes to the rail, and then it goes to the regulator,
Okay.
and then it returns back.
Right on. That's what you're hoping?
Yep.
Okay. I guess we'll be able to see once you get your engine in. Where are you going to install this child in here?
Hopefully right there.
In that passenger seat?
Yeah,
I'm looking.
are you looking? Yeah, I've got some stuff down on the list. Sort of. The Mac valve is mounted. I have the two wires. I just need to get some more tech flicks so that I can hook it up and get it on there.
And you said you got the O2,
Yeah, I got the O2.
the wideband hooked up?
Yep, wideband's hooked up. And the gauges are all wired up, except for the oil pressure, oil temperature gauge wants headlight signal. So once we get headlights done, we'll get headlight signal to it. I put the brakes on. They're not plumbed
Oh,
up.
should I see him?
But the
should we look at
brakes
them?
and coils are on.
Oh, I'll give just a little peek. Just a little peek. Everything's gold. It looks so good. I just want to let y'all know everything looks so good because it's gold. It's shiny gold.
Yep. I'm excited. I put the fuel rail on the motor.
Oh my goodness, look at this fuel rail. Holy crap. That's amazing. With that friggin' purple intake. Looks so good.
I mean, my welds could use some love, but
Whatever, they're gold. They're gold, that's all that
Exactly.
matters. If they look bad, just paint them gold.
That's the little adapter that we did. Okay, so this is something to explain.
Okay?
I
let's
got this
explain
adapter off of Amazon, and it has like a slip-on joint that you can put in here, a barb fitting.
Okay.
And then it has a 6AN fitting. The O-ring that it comes with is humongous, like way too fat. So I took the one off the stock fuel rail and it slips right in now.
Excellent.
So
Nice.
pops in. And then this is my adapter to 6 to 8. And then we'll have a 90 off here that goes to the feed line, and then this will return to the regulator.
Sweet.
And that's it. So STI injectors from a 15 plus. I think they came off a 16 STI. And yeah, that's where we're at.
Fuel video done.
Fuel video done.
Next is like, what's our next video on? We gave him a little taste earlier. Ronnie got a dual caliper setup from B-Banny, and it's on. It's already on. It's already powder coated, and it's on, and it's gold, and it looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. Half of it's on. It's kind of a lot of work. I was surprised on what I had to do last night.
You say half of it's on, just on one side of the
Just
truck?
the passenger
Nice.
side dog.
Nice, nice.
I figured we'd save the driver's side for in the video. I
Alright.
got bored last night, so.
When he gets parts in, we want to make like unboxing videos sometimes, and I'm like, hey, let's make an unboxing video. He's like, I've already unboxed it and put it on the truck. All right.
Yeah, it happens that way.
Right on. At least y'all don't have to wait to see it that way. So look for our next video, dual caliper brake setup in the rear. And then after that, we'll have the proportioning valve video, right?
Yep.
That tells how we fix the proportioning valve thing in the rear with the new brake setup. And that's it for today.
That's it for today.
Peace.
See you guys.